mga paps, napesto na. Panoodin natin na para sa staging late yan. Bandit na. So, ito naman mga paps, ayan. All-wheel drive versus front-wheel drive. Ayan. So, para super prudent mga paps. Sino kayo mananalo dito? All-wheel or itong front-wheel? All-wheel drive mga paps. Ito din. Matik na mga paps, panalo yung dilaw kasi red light yung blue. So, ito naman mga paps, pagkakalang ko ay Pro Class. Ayan, AG Notch. Panalo yung AG Hatch mga paps. Right mga paps, ayan, Balanas Racing, Blue Auto Works. So, AG Hatch versus AG Hatch. Mga idol yan.
지금 환자들과 위 인사와 the system got there.
Uy, panalo yung Balanas Racing mga paps. Ayan. So mga paps, AG Sedan versus AG Hatch. Sino kayo mananalo dito mga paps? Yung Hatch or yung Sedan? Tingnan natin. Okay, panalo yung Sedan mga paps. Wala. Sa pagkakaalam ko, ito yung gawa ni Berto Jor. Ito yung napakalakas na sok. So tingnan natin, ay naka-slicks pa. Grabe, pinunasa lang. So tingnan natin mga paps. Pinapakatulin ng bigote mga paps. Napakatulin. Sino mananalo? Ayun lang, breakout ata. Sayang. Grabe, pero dikit-dikit din ang laban nila. So ito mga parehas na jobs. Bali red light tong bird speed, tapos parang hindi pa pumasok yung cambio niya. So ayan, talo siya. Sa red light pa lang, olats na eh. Sayang, yan talaga yung pinakaiiwasan namin mga nangangarere. Yung ma-red light, talagang wala kang magagawa pag na-red light ka. Hello. pares kuha ng lipa, Lu Autoworks tsaka One Day. So EG Hatch versus EG Hatch, expert glass mga paps. Ayan, shoutout kay DCTV. Ayun, sticker siya ni DCTV. So ayan, yun ang mananalo din. Binitbit na. So panalo yung silver to Autoworks. Procas nga ba or Super Pro? Basta ayan, yung Vanitech tsaka staging range mga ba. Magkatin to, magkatin. So panalo na syempre yung nandito kasi red light na yun isa eh. Blue Autoworks mga babs, ayun, EG Hatch nanalo. Backer build, ayan, congrats Boss Lex. Chris Arts PH, staging lanes versus Malalas Racing, Autoworks. Ang gandang laban sana na itong mga paps, kaso na red light tong Palance Racing tong Dilaw. So panalo yung kabila, yung EGH din ng Chris Arts staging lanes.
Is Jeff Campolero, 14 on the right, in the yellow and brown lineup. That is Mountain Power against the purple Jeremy. He gets to the finish line ahead, and he gets the win. Ahead of Chong Benito Adela. South 30. JC Words in that white Civic. What a So the win is going to go to the red Civic. Racing from Amsoil, Philippines. Canada Incorporated, Americans Hard, presenter of the Pro Class for the NERC.
So yun mga Pops, bali magkakape muna kami. Hi ba?
Hatchback with a sunburst. Rafael's got an advantage here by more than cars right now. Oh, did he steal it? Oh, too bad. He did not make it on time. But congratulations, Gabrielle. Get the win, bro. 7.219 seconds in the board line. Josiah Labrador from RC Motors. And number 2
Pops, oras po tayo. Charming C, sexy love.
We want to facelift edition of the EK Civics.
JC Speed.
That's number 2 on
Hardcore.
Josiah Labrador of RC Motors.
Talaga ng puti yung mga bukso.
Miles per hour.
Talaga ng puti. Ha?
Refugee versus Black EK.
Thank you. Alright guys, ayan. Cars and Coffee. Ito pala yun, coffee.
South Elite, Team South Elite.
Ito muna tayo guys. So ayun mga Pops, Honda Civic versus pickup. Di magsata to. Pagtuli ng Civic.
Whoa, what happened to that Civic? Hopefully that Civic's okay. Because you got the win on that battle against that per hour. Stick around, we'll be back.
Hoy, baka makasayaw ka pa dyan ah.
Nasa karanan tayo, tapos tutulungan na sa TR. Akala ko karanan yung tinuntahan natin. Bak pala. Hindi ka pala matutuggan. Tigasan ka.
Oh, inom muna ng alak, inom muna.
Yung nga, para manyari anak ka. Manyari may na... Guys, bali waiting lang kami doon. Nagka-problema ata doon may tumagas na langis, so nililinis lang ng mga marshal. So waiting lang tayo, ayan. Waiting lang tayo, nag-inom lang tayo ng matcha. Shoutout sa Estrada kami. So baka naman.
Lahat na lahat na lang.
Alam ko, pero sarap, grabe. Try nyo to, Estrada kami. Pagkakaroon ko, may store sila sa sa Ibahan, Batangas. So hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung location nila, pero I think ito yung nasa Ibahan, Batangas guys. So yun lang, waiting lang tayo. Yeah, may natakbo na ulit.
Engine rebuilding. The 1,000 win, enjoy your battle begins now. Is that smoke? Oh, it's a win out! Yellow to green, they do battle. The finish line's on the red flag. Latino got there first. in the past seasons of the Nationals. He's ahead over here.
Sakit dun.
Please return to the start line.
Masakit.
Also, we need
So yun guys, ari pa lang runner ay Super Pro. Yan na.
connections in the south side. Here we go.
Sa laban.
Right side. Jeremy on the
Grabe,
left
tingin.
Tito occupies the top step at a podium later on.
Sino kaya?
Congratulations, Tito Adicta.
All-wheel drive.
P1. And P2 goes to Jeremy Arpinigliar. He's got his little thing going on in there. Looks like he's got, what's that? He's got a towel to keep himself cool.
Sa loob.
Saw that, right? Win on this crucial quarter lap battle. Patrick LaRosa, so can't got the better of that fight. Great going. 207 got a little right. Congratulations to you. You are the winner. And Jimmy Rowan, perfection by way of
So yun
precision.
mga paps, bali dito ko na natin pala tatapos yung vlog na to. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng tinapos ng video na to. Subscribe nyo na yung ating YouTube channel. Click nyo na din yung notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga susunod kong video. So I'm RJ Perez, founder ng Carmit. At tapos salamat daw dahil tinapos yung vlog na to. See you next vlog. Peace.